In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Telegram bot not responding. If a bot you normally use has suddenly gone quiet. Here is a good chance the issue is on the creator's side. Bots run on external servers, and when those servers have trouble or the bot is abandoned, responses can stop. Still, there are a few things you can try on your end to rule out simple fixes and get back to chatting. Start by opening Telegram on your phone or desktop. Find the conversation with the bot that isn't replying and open it. Next, tap or click the bot's name at the top to open its profile. Here, look for the option labeled Stop and Block Bot. Confirm that, and then use the Restart Bot option that appears in the bot's menu. This sequence forces a fresh session with the bot and can clear minor glitches that build up over time. Don't worry, this action only affects your interaction with the bot and doesn't remove your other chats. If the bot still doesn't respond, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable signal and that other apps can load content. If you are on Wi-Fi, try toggling it off and on or switching briefly to mobile data. If you are on mobile data, try Wi-Fi instead. Give Telegram a quick restart after you switch networks to ensure it reconnects cleanly. Sometimes, the best move is simply to wait. The bot's server may be down for maintenance or experiencing a temporary outage. If the bot's creator has stopped maintaining it altogether, it may not come back online, and that's unfortunately outside your control. If you have a way to check for an official status channel or recent updates from the bot's creator, that can give you clarity. But otherwise, patience is key. If you are still stuck, clear Telegram's cache to remove any corrupted local data. On mobile, go to Settings, then Data and Storage, then Storage Usage, and tap Clear Telegram Cache. This won't delete your cloud chats. It only removes locally saved media and temporary files, which Telegram can re-download as needed. On desktop, open Settings, go to Advanced, then Manage Local Data and choose Clear All. After clearing the cache, reopen the bot chat and try interacting again. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.